It was him.
Ladies and gentlemen,
he's ready to be sentenced right now.
Return to SmackDown Live. The 16-time WWE Champion, John Cena.
Sold out tonight at the Scott Trade Center in St. Louis, Missouri. Thank you for Portugal, Spain. Of course, the American Forces Network in the ring at the same time. There's Miami. Daniel Bryan up over the top, and it's Bryan working on Rollins. Mid here, Kane and Daniel Bryan will retain the tag team gold. Gosh, that hurts. And Kane right to Rollins' face. Great double team. Double team effort by the Shield. There is Seth Rollins and Reigns clothesline. Last November. Been nearly unstoppable since. I would think, John, the tornado rules would favor the Shield in their cap.
And Hanson all coming through here regularly. The Briscoes. Seen quite a few of these tornado matches.
You saw Rollins Reigns earlier in the evening as they came.
Oh, look at this. Daniel Bryan with a great counter.
Terrific counter.
And that is just the power of Kane.
One of the best big men of all time. Here we go, Eric.
Daniel Bryan, a team hell knows.
Not sure what that was, but it was effective.
Exactly. And there's Kane and Daniel Bryan again with a double team.
And here comes Daniel Bryan.
Line go.
Connecting to and then help his partner out. He runs into a choke slam.
Covering.
Spear. Here goes Kane now. Rollins. He caught Kane on the side of the head coming off the top rope. And now Roman Reigns with a spear. Reigns counters.
Daniel wasn't even close to having that cinched in.
No, not at all. Oh, Rollins caught. The Shield has King.
What is this?
Oh, man!